Logan, what do you think? Logan, what do you think? Oh yes, it smells so bright. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like the barbecue. Dude, the camera glare is more.
So, I'm a big soda fan. I like soda. I like lots of soda. But my favorite soda is typically like Cherryade. And in chemistry, we make these things. I take my water, and I take my, a little bit too much there. All mixed up like so. And we pour it in here like so. What? That's right, a little Cherryade for everybody today. All right.
We're gonna go with the party theme for today. Have a little fun with this Cherryade. But I don't know so much about Cherryade. That's a little bit sugary, right? Everyone's probably on their New Year's resolution to trying to not drink so much sugar. Maybe we can make it something healthier.
Okay, so I take my Cherryade and I pour it in and get water.
There you go. That's nice and healthy for everyone. Make enough for everyone. Yeah. But it is a party, so we can't just have water. That's kind of boring, right? So let's make something that's healthy, but not water. Let's try that.
I like strong bones. How about a little milk? You can take milk to a party, right? Ooh.
All right, maybe milk's a little too healthy. Let's try some fun milk. What kind of milk is fun?
Chocolate milk. Now you're talking.
Woo! There you go. Chocolate milk for everyone.
Good morning. Good morning. Not good enough yet. Good morning. Anybody ever hear of the Hindenburg? The Hindenburg. It was a dirigible. You know what a dirigible was? Oh, come on. Let's get our history books open. It's not just chemistry, but it's a learning experience. A dirigible was a blimp. Fancy name for a blimp. Well, a long time ago, they filled those dirigibles with this stuff called hydrogen. There was one problem with that hydrogen, though. It didn't react well. Pretty good, right?
Before we do this part of the demonstration, I've been asked by the college attorneys to make sure you people in the front row have insurance, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
AJ fell asleep in the last lecture.
Did you have loss of limb insurance? You have loss of limb insurance. Really think it's a good idea?
No.
Yes. Do it. Do it, huh? You're not the one up here.
That's true.
Mommy.
No. There's probably just water in here.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you just witnessed. Ladies and gentlemen, what you just witnessed was the difference between hydrogen and helium. One of them, very reactive to flame. The other one, not so much. Also, both less dense than air. Thank you very much.
that first balloon that you saw was filled with hydrogen gas, so one of the physical chemical properties. Just water the clouds. That's for later. Okay, so one of the chemical properties of hydrogen is that it combusts. And by combust we mean it reacts chemically with oxygen, which is in the air, to produce a flame, which is pretty much what we saw with the balloon. So this next demonstration is called dynamite soak. And so what we have in here is a volume of hydrogen, this is the hydrogen, and just some soapy water. And by shaking the heck out of it, what we're essentially doing is trapping the hydrogen in the bubbles. Okay. And what we're going to do is pour this out. And what we're mostly interested in is the bubbles, because that's where the hydrogen is now. And if you light a match, come on, burn baby burn. There we go. It ignites, one of the chemical properties of hydrogen. Now, what you really witnessed was a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen was in the air, and the air only comes in contact with the hydrogen at the surface. So that whole reaction only happens with the hydrogen that's at the very, very surface. In this bottle, we have hydrogen and oxygen mixed together. So instead of only burning at the surface, all of the hydrogen is going to burn. So let's see what the difference is. What we've essentially done is increase the concentration of oxygen, mixing and reacting with the hydrogen. Make lots of bubbles. So basically same reaction, but with the oxygen already mixed in. Dynamite soak.
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. Why did you hear it go bang? The fire went so fast it created a pressure wave. The pressure wave just moved out through the building, and that pressure wave moved your eardrum in and out. The closer you are, have you ever been in a lightning storm? The closer you are to lightning, what does it sound like? A very sharp bang. And what does it sound like when the lightning's miles and miles away? A low rumble. Because the wave starts out sharp like this, and as it moves out in space, it drops out like that. And that's why you heard the sound. And your ears hurt. Yeah, okay. We can't explain that part.
Hi, everybody. All right, so we're gonna predict your future together. All right. So over here, I got this bottle. All right. You wanna tell me what color this is? Yellow. All right. Anybody want to volunteer? Shake. Anybody want to shake? Right here? All right. What's her name, good sir? Okay. Jack? Round of applause for Jack. Come up front. Put some gloves on.
Safety first. So in these two bottles, we have two magic solutions that will tell your future.
Kind of like fortune telling.